Turn on/off the light fixture with the remote control. Turn on/off the fan and adjust the 6-level fan speed with a remote control. The off button in the middle can only be used to turn off the fan. Feel free to switch between clockwise blade rotation and counterclockwise blade rotation, and the fan speed is adjustable from level 1 to level 6. Previous setting will be saved even after the fan is turned off. Turn off both the light and the fan with the power button at the top left corner. The fan speed of natural mode is adjustable from level 1 to level 6, from gentle breeze to strong breeze. The fan speed of sleep mode, gentle breeze mode, is adjustable from level 1 to level 3. Note, the vibration of the product in the video results from the fact that the product is installed on a board hanging in the air. The light fixture itself does not vibrate when it is in use.